Let's learn about the difference between distance and displacement. Now here you can see I have drawn a figure. Let's say this is your home and you want to go to a grocery store. Now if you take the usual road to your grocery store, the path you will take may look like this. Now here, the total path you traveled is the distance. Let's say the total distance is 10 kilometers. Okay. So it is just a magnitude. There is no direction here. But what about the displacement? The displacement between your home and grocery store is the shortest path or the shortest gap between them. So I can draw a straight line between your home and grocery store to represent the displacement, and it would be like this, right? So this is your displacement, and this could be, let's say, maybe 4 kilometers. Now we are not done yet. We need a direction. So let's look at the compass to find out the direction. The direction is something like this. So we can say 4 kilometers in the southwest direction. Here's another example. Let's say this is your home and you decided to go for a walk. You got up from your home, taking a walk around the park, around some buildings, some roads, and then you reached your home again, right? Let's say you have walked for 3 kilometers. Now, this is the distance. What would be the displacement? You see, the starting point is your home and your destination is also your home. So there is no gap between your starting and finishing point. So there is no direction here. So the displacement would be zero. Sorry. Displacement would be zero. There is no displacement. And this is the distance. Now here's another example. Let's say this is your home and you want to go to a park. Let's say this is your park. But before you go to the park, you want to visit a grocery store and then go to the park. So this is the grocery store. Now, you're going to the grocery stores and you travel 2 kilometers. And then from the grocery stores to the park, you traveled 5 kilometers. So the total distance here is 5 plus 2 is 7 kilometers. This is your total distance. But what about the displacement? So your displacement would be only this much, and that would be 3 kilometers, right? Now, you need to put a direction. I could say 3 kilometers to my left. So this makes it a vector quantity.